2, 3.
No.
Here we go. Here we go.
Wait, who's doing the intro?
I am.
Wait, how do the girls do it? They go like this.
I don't know. Ask your daughter.
Wait, how's my makeup look?
Your makeup looks great. Your makeup looks fabulous.
You're such a, I have chapstick on.
I know. Hey everybody, welcome to Our Gold Road. I'm Trevor.
You're not gonna introduce me?
It's my beautiful wife, Donna. We're so happy you decided to join us.
Awkward pause. Wait, did I already say repairs? T makes videos on our repairs, maintenance, and renovations on our vintage trailers and our crazy family trips. So if you want to see our no, I said crazy. And our fun family trips.
If you think we're crazy and you want to see crazy, subscribe below.
No.
Because it is crazy how much crazy stuff we have going on.
Stop.
You'll go crazy.
T. Okay.
If you always
I'm
try
ready.
to look at the camera.
Be quiet!
So, if you want to see, subscribe below.
Oh, and you can leave a comment below. If there's ideas of some videos you want us to make,
Or you just want to say hi.
or you just want to say hi to me,
Me.
you can leave a comment below. And if you give a thumbs up, it goes to me. So,
It's not good.
Yeah.
It goes to me.
so
Don't thumbs down.
no thumbs down. But if you give a thumbs up, it goes to me, and I will appreciate it.
Again, thanks so much for joining us. We hope that our story inspires your story, and we can't wait to hear about it. I hope to catch you on the road.